Have you ever wondered how a burst of energy from the sun can impact our planet? Today, we're exploring the powerful effects of solar flares, focusing on the massive X3.98 flare from sunspot AR3664 and its effects on Earth. Solar flares are intense bursts of radiation stemming from the release of magnetic energy associated with sunspots. The recent X3.98 flare is one of the largest in this solar cycle, causing disruptions right here on Earth. Let's explore what solar flares are. These are categorized by their intensity, with X-class flares being the most powerful. An X3.98 flare, like the one we just experienced, is near the top of this scale, indicating significant radiation emission. This massive flare has immediate effects, such as the temporary loss of high-frequency radio signals across continents like Asia, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Africa. This happens because the flare's radiation ionizes the upper part of our atmosphere, making it difficult for radio waves to travel normally. During such an event, the ionized layer of the atmosphere becomes saturated with electrons, which scatter and absorb the radio waves, leading to what we call a radio blackout. Accompanying the flare, a coronal mass ejection, or CME, was also observed. Unlike the radiation from flares, which travels at the speed of light, CMEs are giant clouds of solar plasma that move more slowly and can take days to reach Earth, potentially causing geomagnetic storms. This recent surge in solar activity is a clear indicator that we are nearing the solar maximum, a peak in the sun's 11-year cycle where such events become more frequent and intense. Organizations like NASA and NOAA are closely monitoring these solar events to provide timely warnings, helping to protect our satellites, power grids, and other technologies from the adverse effects of space weather. The recent X3.98 solar flare from AR3664 has shown us once again how dynamic and impactful our sun can be. By understanding and preparing for these solar events, we can mitigate their effects on our modern world. Stay curious about our universe and keep looking up, because the sun's activity offers not just challenges, but also spectacular displays like the auroras, powered by these very solar storms. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay informed about the weather out in space.